Yo, what's up everyone? It's AI Mind Machine here, your expert robotic expert, and today we're diving deep into the future. Not the future of faster phones or thinner laptops, although those are cool, but the future of something much bigger: artificial intelligence. AI is already changing the game in ways we're just beginning to understand, but trust me, this is just the tip of the iceberg. We're talking about AI that could potentially predict our needs before we even know them, revolutionize healthcare with life-saving diagnoses, and even change the way we drive, learn, and manufacture products. So, buckle up, because we're about to explore some mind-blowing AI advancements that are going to reshape the world as we know it. Now, you've all interacted with Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, right? Helpful, sometimes a little sassy, but imagine them on a whole new level. Think about an AI that knows your daily routine, your preferences, even your health goals, better than you do. It could order your groceries before you run out, schedule appointments based on your calendar, and even give you personalized recommendations for, well, just about anything. This isn't some sci-fi fantasy. It's the very real potential of AI personal assistants. They'll learn from our interactions, constantly evolving and adapting to our individual needs. The future of personal assistants is about to get very interesting. Alright, let's talk self-driving cars. We've all seen the headlines, the promises of a future where cars drive themselves. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and even traditional car manufacturers are heavily invested in autonomous driving technology. We're talking about cars equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and AI algorithms that allow them to navigate roads, obey traffic laws, and avoid obstacles, all without any human intervention. Self-driving cars have the potential to be much safer than human drivers. Imagine a world with fewer accidents, less traffic congestion, and increased mobility for everyone, including the elderly and disabled. Now let's talk about a field where AI has the potential to make a truly life-changing impact: healthcare. We're talking about AI algorithms that can analyze medical images with greater accuracy than human doctors, leading to earlier and more accurate diagnoses. AI is also being used to develop new drugs and treatments, personalize treatment plans for individual patients, and even assist surgeons in the operating room. We're talking about robotic surgery with AI-powered precision, minimizing invasiveness, and improving patient outcomes. The future of healthcare is inextricably linked to the advancements in AI. It's a future where medical care is more precise, personalized, and accessible to everyone. Okay, let's face it. The traditional one-size-fits-all approach to education isn't working for everyone. But what if we could tailor the learning experience to each student's individual needs and learning style? That's where AI comes in. Imagine AI-powered tutoring systems that adapt to a student's pace, providing personalized instruction and feedback. AI in education isn't about replacing teachers. It's about empowering them with the tools and insights they need to provide every student with the best possible education. It's about creating a more engaging, effective, and personalized learning experience for everyone. From AI-powered language learning apps to intelligent tutoring systems, the future of education is here, and it's powered by AI. Let's talk manufacturing. It's the backbone of our global economy, but it's also an industry ripe for disruption. And guess what? AI is leading the charge. We're talking about factories where robots work alongside humans, performing tasks with precision and speed that humans simply can't match. AI is being used to optimize production processes, predict equipment failures before they happen, and even design new products with improved efficiency and performance. Imagine a world where products are manufactured faster, cheaper, and with higher quality than ever before. AI is making advanced manufacturing technologies accessible to businesses of all sizes, leveling the playing field and fostering innovation across the board. Developing new drugs is a long, expensive, and often unsuccessful process, but AI is changing that. AI algorithms analyze massive datasets, identifying promising drug candidates. This speeds up the drug discovery process. Imagine new treatments for diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's developed faster and cheaper. AI is also repurposing existing drugs for new uses. Early and accurate diagnosis is crucial for effective treatment of any disease, but sometimes, even the most experienced doctors can miss subtle signs or misinterpret complex medical data. AI algorithms, particularly in the field of deep learning, excel at analyzing medical images like X-rays, kinetic scans, and MRIs. They can detect subtle anomalies that might escape the human eye, leading to earlier and more accurate diagnoses. AI is also being used to analyze patient data from electronic health records, wearable devices, and even genetic information to identify individuals at risk of developing certain diseases. That's the promise of AI-powered diagnostics. For amputees, prosthetic limbs offer the promise of restored mobility and independence. But traditional prosthetics often lack the dexterity and responsiveness of natural limbs. AI-powered prosthetics are equipped with sensors that detect muscle signals from the user's residual limb. These signals are then translated into movement commands for the prosthetic, allowing for more intuitive and natural control. Imagine prosthetics that can learn and adapt to the user's movements, providing a level of control and dexterity that was once unimaginable. This isn't just science fiction, it's the very real potential of AI-powered prosthetics. Surgery is a delicate and complex art, requiring incredible precision and skill from surgeons. But even the most skilled surgeons can benefit from a helping hand, or in this case, an AI-assisted one. AI is being integrated into operating rooms around the world, assisting surgeons in performing minimally invasive procedures with greater accuracy and control. Robotic surgical systems guided by AI algorithms can operate with sub-millimeter precision, minimizing tissue damage and reducing recovery times for patients. Imagine a future where complex surgeries are performed with minimal incisions, reducing the risk of complications and improving patient outcomes. That's the potential of AI in the operating room. Mental health is just as important as physical health, yet it's often stigmatized and underserved. AI can revolutionize mental health care, making it more accessible, affordable, and effective. AI chatbots and virtual therapists offer on-demand support and personalized coping strategies. AI is developing new treatments for conditions like depression, anxiety, and PTSD. AI algorithms analyze data to predict treatment responses, leading to personalized care. Imagine AI helping to destigmatize mental health and empower individuals. So, there you have it. We've just scratched the surface of what AI is capable of, and it's clear that this technology is going to fundamentally reshape our world. From personalized medicine to self-driving cars and everything in between, AI is poised to revolutionize industries, solve complex problems, and improve our lives in countless ways. But with all this potential comes responsibility. As we develop and deploy increasingly powerful AI systems, we need to do so ethically and responsibly, ensuring that these technologies benefit all of humanity. The future of AI is bright, and it's up to all of us to shape it in a way that benefits everyone.